So you want to be funny at the table? Why? If you're a player, being comedic is a great way to increase the fun. Much like great combats are fun. Powerful emotional moments are fun. Being able to be silly, crack a little joke, or create a little bit of chaos that y'all have to deal with is fun. It makes it more enjoyable for yourself too, because, that feeling of making someone laugh is incomparable. It's addictive. It gives you a surge of energy. It makes other people want to play with you too, assuming that they hold the same sense of humor that you do. The game becomes entertaining on another level, where you're able to add in humor and connection beyond just what's built into the game. When I use comedy as a DM, it becomes more broad, more powerful. DMs, we talk about ways to make mundane things more entertaining all the time, whether it's shopping, travel, tavern visits, for dinner, for meals, investigations, or even combats when you're dealing with enemies that don't need to be taken as seriously. My best example, my youngest group, they had to get ready for a performance for a very influential and powerful mayor in the city. It could have easily been a 2-minute, all right, we get our nicer clothes, we go to the house, and we roll performance. But they were excited about the idea of performing, of getting their own outfits for this performance. So, before the performance, I asked them all to do a little bit of homework for me, to think about what their characters might want to wear for the performance. And the results were magical. One of them wanted to wear a very tuxedo mask-esque outfit. The other one, well, they wanted a Hawaiian shirt complete with sunglasses on pineapples and eye-bleedingly purple socks. Hilarious to hear already. So how did I make it funny for them too? Simple, I improvised. I had them roll to see if their transactions would be smooth or not. They've reached a point where buying clothes, unless it's something insanely magical, it's not really gonna be a big dent in their wallets at all. But even with money out of the equation, a transaction is more than that, and so we role played. I had an Old Navy style store, with the employees being a swarm of little goblins who follow the orders of their matriarchal manager. And since the player wanted a Hawaiian shirt, I had each of these goblins come forward with a different style, different designs. I'd like to think that I've seen enough Hawaiian shirts to be able to describe a fair amount of them, but the one with the pineapples and sunglasses, that one won out. Every little thing, from the selections of the shirt and the subsequent reactions from the clerks, those little things give you the chances to make people laugh. And that's been one of the best sessions of that campaign. One of the players couldn't make it, so the group volunteered another player to choose the clothes for that character. And they chose a 6-foot-tall yellow top hat complete with bright pink feather boa around the brim for our 3-foot-tall friend. Now I also run streams and I play in streams. And when you have an audience, comedy is huge. If you can make people laugh, you've got another angle to keep people coming back.